Hi Seekers, good morning, this is Miss Sue. So today we're going to finish writing our letters. So today we have the last 6 letters to learn how to write. The first one is U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So let's start with letter U. Make sure you write a dot on your paper and hold your markers or pencil in the right way. You can use thumb with 1 finger, 2 finger, or 3 fingers, okay? So start from the dot. We're going to go down straight, and then we're going to make a curve and go up. So letter U only has 1 step. All right, let's do it again. Make a dot, go down, and go up. Good job. All right, now let's do letter V. Same thing, make a dot on your paper. All right, so letter V is from the dot, we are going to make line down to the right, diagonally. And then from here, when you finish making this line, don't stop. We're going to make a line up to the right. So letter V also has 1 step. So we make a dot, we go down to the right, and we go up to the right. All right, the next one is letter W, and letter W looks like 2 letter Y's. So we're gonna make look like 2 letter V's. So we're going to make 2 V's in order to make a W. So let's make a dot on the paper. And from the dot, we're gonna make a line to the right and make a line to the right up. And from here, we're going to make a line down to the right again. And then we're going to make a line up to the right again. Good job. 2 V's make a W. Let's do it one more time. Make a dot, and from the dot, make a line down to the right, line up to the right, line down to the right, line up to the right. Good job. So letter W only has 1 step too. All right, now let's make letter X. All right, letter X has 2 steps. So make a dot on your paper first. All right, so from this dot, we're going to make a line down to the right. All right, make another dot on the top. Not next to it, there's some space in between, okay? So from this dot, we're going to make a line down to the left. So 1, 2. Let's make it again. A line down to the right and a line down to the left. Good job. All right, the next one we're gonna make is letter Y. So make a dot on your paper. All right, so letter Y, in order to make letter Y, so from this dot, we're going to make a small line down to the right. A small line down to the right. Okay, now we're going to make another dot on the paper. Not next to the first one, there has to be some space in between, okay? So from this dot, we're going to make a line down to the left. Letter Y has 1, 2 steps. Let's make it again. Make a line down to the right, make a line down to the left. Good job. All right, our last letter is letter Z. All right, Z looks like a zigzag, and that's exactly how we write letter Z, a zigzag. So let's make a dot first. All right, from this dot, we're going to make a line straight horizontally. All right, and from here, we're going to make a line down to the left. And we're going to kick it out right here. So letter Z only has 1 step, and it looks like how to make a zigzag. So let's do it again. A small line, write a small line that goes horizontally first. And from this small line, we're going to make a line down to the left and then kick it out. Good job, seekers. Thank you for doing step by step with me, and we learned how to write 26 letters. Can you practice writing letters at home? Good job, seekers. Bye. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.